This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the remote has enough charge and the Apple TV is powered and on screen. This prevents mid-reset failures. Once done, use the remote to open settings, then navigate to System. You are starting the actual reset now. Select Reset to clear settings or Reset and update to reinstall tvOS. Make sure you know your Apple ID password for sign-in after the reset. The next slide continues with choosing options and what each choice does. You now choose between Reset and Update. Pick Reset to restore factory defaults quickly, or Reset and Update to reinstall the latest tvOS for a cleaner restore. Confirm the choice using the remote. This begins an automatic process and shows a progress bar. Make sure not to disconnect power or network during this stage, because interruptions can leave the device unresponsive. If the update is large, expect 30 to 60 minutes. Once complete, the device will restart. You finish by walking through the on-screen setup. Choose language, reconnect Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Apple ID to restore purchases and subscriptions. If the Siri remote isn't paired automatically, hold back and volume up for a few seconds while close to the Apple TV to repair it. Make sure accessories like Bluetooth speakers are reconfigured. If anything goes wrong, charge the remote fully and restart the Apple TV. Alternatively, use the iPhone Apple TV remote in Control Center to complete setup and verify functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.